Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do a sway slide. Knowing how to do a sway already would be helpful. Having done a slide in something like a first move would be helpful, so I'll put links to those in the description below so you're used to the idea of doing those things. And we'll jump straight in. The move looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we'll break it down. It starts off right to right like a standard sway. We go back, we go wrap. We're going to make sure we all go back on the right. And then from here, we're going to rock through the front foot and we're going to walk for 3. So we're going to go right foot, left foot, right foot. 3 steps, 2 counts. Then we go back and we're going to go right foot, left foot, long step back. So we're accelerating through those steps. Take a long step back, bum. Then the lift to get the slide. And then we're going to continue through to step back on the left, send the lady away, letting go with the left, turn to face. If you switch hand or not, it's up to you. Return and back. Do the same thing from the other side. And we'll talk numbers. So we go back 1, wrap 2, sway 3, walking 4 and 5. Changing direction, we go 6 and 7, going back 8, away 1, face 2, return 3, and back 4. If you want to change the speed of the exit as you would in a normal sway, you can do that, there's no trouble. So little normal variations you can do from a sway will work in this as well. Let's try it together. Here we go. 5, 6, a sway, slide. We go a back, wrap, back, walk, back and slide. Step, away, face, return and back. That's that. Gives you an extra thing to play with when you're in a sway. Do like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Liking promotes the move and the channel, so thank you for the people who do that. Subscribing helps promote everything even more, so big thank you to everyone who does that. And the notification bells, if you have them turned on, will mean you'll get told every time a new video comes out, so you never miss one. Music recommendation on the end, something nice to practice to, and as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft.
I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.